Zooming out to the group level, where things get even more dynamic and interesting, we will talk about the fascinating world of group dynamics, the forces that shape how groups form, develop, interact, and perform. Why groups matter more than just a bunch of people. Think about it. How much of your work life involves interacting with others? Whether it is brainstorming ideas with your team, collaborating on a project, or navigating office politics, groups play a pivotal role in our work experience. But what exactly makes a group more than just a random collection of individuals? Groups have unique characteristics that set them apart. Shared purpose. Groups come together to achieve a common goal or objective. Interdependence. Group members rely on each other to accomplish their shared purpose. Interaction. Group members communicate and interact with one another to coordinate their efforts. Structure. Groups develop norms, roles, and hierarchies to organize their interactions and activities. Identity. Group members often develop a sense of belonging and shared identity. Understanding these characteristics can help us harness the power of groups to achieve amazing things. But it's important to remember that groups aren't always a smooth ride. They can also be a source of conflict, frustration, and even dysfunction. The stages of group development: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. One of the most influential models of group development is Tuckman's 5-stage model. It suggests that groups go through distinct phases as they evolve. Forming. In this initial stage, group members are polite, tentative, and focused on getting to know each other. There is a lot of uncertainty and anxiety as people figure out their roles and the group's purpose. Storming. As group members become more comfortable, conflicts and power struggles may emerge. This stage can be messy and uncomfortable, but it's also an important opportunity for the group to clarify its goals and establish norms. Norming. If the group successfully navigates the storming stage, it enters a period of increased cohesion and cooperation. Group members start to develop a shared identity and establish clear roles and expectations. Performing. This is where the magic happens. In the performing stage, the group is highly functional and focused on achieving its goals. Members are motivated, engaged, and working collaboratively towards a common purpose. Adjourning. For temporary groups or project teams, this final stage involves expanding and reflecting on the group's accomplishments and challenges. While this model provides a helpful framework, it's important to remember that not all groups follow these stages in a linear fashion. Some groups may get stuck in the storming stage, while others may cycle back and forth between the stages. The key is to be aware of these dynamics and intervene when necessary to help the group progress towards high performance. The role of group norms and cohesion. Two factors that influence group dynamics are norms and cohesion. Norms are the unwritten rules that govern group behavior. They can be about anything from how meetings are run to how decisions are made to how members should dress. Cohesion, on the other hand, refers to the degree to which group members are attracted to each other and motivated to stay in the group. When norms are clear and aligned with the group's goals, and when cohesion is high, groups tend to be more productive and successful. However, when norms are ambiguous or conflicting, or when cohesion is low, groups can become dysfunctional and unproductive. We have seen how groups evolve over time, the role of norms and cohesion, and how to foster high-performing teams. Whether you are leading a team, participating in a project, or simply trying to navigate the social dynamics of your workplace, understanding group dynamics is an essential skill for success in today's collaborative work environment.